today I brought the camera very close to my face because I want to see. Ma! Hi Daisies! Welcome back to another YouTube video. Welcome back. Welcome back to another exciting video. You know how we do it. Yeah, you get it. Let me do for you. So welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I'm going to teach you how to contour and highlight. Okay, I've been getting a lot of requests about this particular video, so I took it upon myself, like I always do, to come and teach you how I do my highlighting and my contouring. So let's get right into the video. Okay, so I went ahead and I used my foundation on my face. I didn't want to do the whole thing on camera because it would be very long and we don't want it to be long. So I did my foundation off camera, and you can see I've done I wore my lashes and my brows and everything. If you've not seen my brow video, how to draw your brow, beginner friendly video, I'll put it somewhere in the video so you can check it out. Let's start with the highlighting. Okay, so with the highlighting, you have to use a color that's, let's say you're using a foundation like this is my foundation, and you want to highlight. You don't use the same color, use a color a shade that is actually like 2 times lighter than your foundation shade. Okay, so I use Toast, and sometimes if I want to go extra mile, I use a color that is way lighter than my color here. Okay, because it's very light, then I use my Toast. You can see this, right? So then I use my Toast to a bit like this. So then I use the same Toast. I don't use the lighter one because you end up leaving like harsh lines on my face, so I don't like to use the very light one. Okay, and I do my chin, my nose, then that's it. Then sometimes I do my cheekbone like here. Yeah, but you should know that in highlighting and contouring, there are 2 types. There's one that you can just use powder to do it. Okay, just contour and highlight with powder, and there's one that you can just do with. So you take your beauty blender, wet it a bit like so. It becomes a bit big, so it's actually wet. Okay, so then you go in here, just dab it into your skin like this. Don't you won't do it, so you understand, just be pressing it into your skin like this. Just be pressing it, coming to this side, be pressing it, just keep pressing so you think it's blended out and you're not seeing any harsh line in it like this. Okay, then you blend this side too. You see what I'm doing? Do the same thing. Just be dabbing it into your skin like this. Then you come here. This one, you move around with the product a bit. Almost eyeliner. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing. Okay. Some people go in with the contour. Some people like to go in with a cream contour, like a dark foundation or probably a dark concealer. I mean, I don't like that thing, but today we are going to do it because I have to do this for you. So I use this L'Oreal foundation that I have. I think just a little, like this. get forehead. Then I use it for my nose. Yeah, some. My mistake, but you can see what I'm doing. This one is a mistake. We'll try and clean it later. Okay, so some people like to do it to the side like this. I don't know why, but we are trying it today. Powder to set my face. Okay, I don't use any Sikafol Nyama, I guess. And you can get this from Beauty Supply GH on Instagram. I'll put their handle on my video somewhere. You can get this, and it's very good. When I say very good, I mean it's very good. Very, 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 very good. Okay, so you can get this. We go in with like the yellow shade. I don't know why, because I feel it's good. But we'll go into our under eye, like the very where we use the lighter concealer. We go in with the whiter shade of it, like this. The whiter one, we go very in of it, like inside. Please, I'm not a makeup artist. So if you want to do the way I do it, then you nigga do it like that. I'm not a makeup artist. Then I go in with the yellow one like this. And I try to press it into my skin. Like pressing it in, like you bring it under your nose like this. Not where you use the darker thing. You can even see how pretty I look, you understand? So yeah. So you can do it like that. Set your face, baby. Set the face, baby. Then to your chin. To your forehead. Then okay, the same beauty blender, you can turn it. Then you dab it in, like you dab it upwards like this. Can you see? You dab it upwards like this, like into where the powder is. And forehead there, let's see. Then when you're blending it, like I say, always blend upwards, okay? Don't blend it downwards. So you can see how my nose looks small. So yeah, I'm done. So I go in like this shade. I don't know, it's LA Girl powder, but I don't know the shade. It's dark. We are setting that side too, okay? So just set it in like this. Normally when I'm blending, I use this brush. I got from Colorbox. So I take a color that's I take a shade that is like my normal powder that I would normally use. And I used to dust it off, not plenty, because you already have powder on your face. So you just when you're dusting the excess powder, dust the highlight powder into the contour one like this. Okay, you can do like a circular motion if that's what you want. Like this, I like to use a bigger brush, buffy brush, to like blend the whole thing. That's in the not maybe feeling. I did cry if anything. Oh, blush. So normally the blush I use blush. I hope it's the right thing though, because it sounds funny in my head. I use this, like I use any red. You can take it from your shadow palette or something. You smell like this. Okay. Then go with your big brush, blend it in. Then we go with bronzer. Bronzer, you can use any bronzer of your choice. That's your preference. Bronzer need your colors, baby. Okay, then after, because I have some yellow thing in my eye, I want to do shimmery things. So we are doing this yellow. I don't know if you can see this. This yellow here too. Don't worry, when you're done, you can just blend it into the whole thing, so it doesn't look funny or drawn like. Sometimes I like to mix the colors, so if I want to be so dramatic, I'm going with this, a bit of this, a bit of that, then add it to it. Can you see what I'm saying? I like to blend it in so it doesn't look funny. Does it look funny? No, it doesn't. But as it do it. Let's bring it. Okay. So that's the highlighter I'm using for my nose. Don't do plains, yo. Don't do plains. Me, the nose highlighting thing, I don't really like it. I don't know why. Then on my forehead, like the colors I used. On my forehead. Then do on my chin too, like this. I think that's all for the highlight and contour. I'm going to finish up my whole face and come back and sign off. So I went to finish the rest of the look and I'm back. Okay, so if you're not seeing my shadow video, I have a video of how I do my shadow beginner friendly. I'll put the link up there so you can check it out, and you see how I did my under, like my waterline and my mascara under my eye and that kind of thing. So yeah, I'm done. I'm done with the look. I hope you were able to learn something today. Please, if you've not subscribed and you're done watching this video, please do subscribe for me, I beg you, and tell a friend to come and watch me, because I really need you to watch me. And let me know what's next you want to see on my channel. Give me suggestions, what you want to see, what type of video you want to see, whether it's a prank or challenge or whatever you want to see. Just write it in the comment section, and please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you're able to learn something. And yeah, please do try this at home and let me know how it goes for you, if you were able to do it, or let me know your challenges as well, so next time when I'm doing this video I know how to actually go about it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you did really enjoy this video. I'll see you in my next video. Okay.